Hi guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel today and welcome to our today's video. For those who are new here, my name is Rose, and for my subscribers and my viewers, welcome back and thank you for supporting me. So today I want to show you guys one of my side hustles, one of my hustle here in the village. I'll be showing you what I do, and I'll be showing you what exactly they mean when they say I started my business with my chicken business with one feather. For me, I started my chicken business with only one hen and one cock. I'll be showing you so far the far we have come. So guys, this is one of my side hustle here in Shags. I do kienyeji chicken farming. Most of these ones are chicks. This one is a chick, this one, the other one here. I have several big hen, like the dark one, this one here. This one is a big one, it's already laying. The others are just chicks. Also this one is a big hen. This one, so this is one of the side hustles. These are the type of hustles that we do here in the village, and this is what we do to get some cash. I just started this kienyeji chicken farming with only one hen and one cock, and so far I've done some selling out. I've sold several cocks, big ones. They were brothers to this one. The cocks that I sold, they were brothers to these two. So I remained with the hens because I need some eggs. So I got rid of all the other brothers, and I got a new cock. I don't know where the cock is. Also have a goose here. Turkey. Don't know whether this is called turkey. Just call it butter. This one is a male. This one is a male. This one is a male. Yes, that is one of my hustle. Let's go looking for the cock. Yes, here is the cock with one murembo. They decided to come and hide behind here. Yes, this is my cock and murembo. I don't know what they were doing out behind there. Let me show you. I want to take them to go and take some feedings. Yes, they are the young. This is the kind of hustles that we do here in Shags. One cock goes for around 1,000, but this one is not that big. It's around 800 here in Shags. The hen, this size, it's 600, 700. This size. The rest, they are just chicks. They are not that mature. Like this one, you can see it is small. Like that one there, it is small. And this is the house that I use. This is the house that I use. I use for chicks when they are small, but for now I don't have chicks. The weather was too hot. It was too hot. The chicks could not, the hens could not lay. They were laying, but they were not hatching. So I have several eggs, but no chicks. I'm waiting for this cold season. Maybe they will start hatching. Also, I have another part here. This is where you see that one is. It is waiting to hatch. It is the dark. It's called Muera or hen. It is waiting to hatch. I'll wait for some minutes. When it hatches, I'll show you what it is doing or what it has hatched. Just wait. I show you guys. This is just coincidence that I'm shooting a video about the kienyeji chicken and then it decided to hatch, to lay, sorry. So this is where they stay, the big ones. Then the upstairs, it's for chicks. For now I don't have chicks, but the big chicks, they are staying up here. It is a Kagorova house, a simple one. It's not that big, but it is enough for my house. So also this is their feeding, their drinking area. This is where they take water from. Their drinks are always poured here. If I want to deworm them, this is where I add the dewormers, so that they take the water with the deworm. I know some people, they don't know whether chicks should be given dawa ya minyoo, lakini hata hao huwa wanakuwa na minyoo. Ukiona kuku wako ana pee ya white inakaa chalk, huyo kuku wako ako na minyoo. You should deworm that kuku, and that is how we do hustles here in the village. You can see my kabata there. It's just walking. It is taking some walks. And my hen, yeah, this is how it feeds. It feeds on water. Obviously. There's some shade. I don't know whether you can see clearly. Yeah, that is how it feeds. Oh my, these creatures, they are funny. That is, it is taking some water, and the chickens are here feeding. Baba yao, the white, black and white is Baba yao. Baba yao is there feeding. If the business is not that costly, with only one kienyeji hen and one kienyeji cock, you are good to go. And you just need a small house like that one, mine there, with 2 doors and an upstairs, a room for chicks and the adults. That is where they used to sleep, and it is good. So far I cannot complain. Also make sure your chicks and your chicken, they are staying in a clean place. You clean it so that they don't get diseases. Hope you can see that one. I don't know what is the name of this. Who knows the name of this kind of hen? This one without, is it feathers at the neck? Wanaitwa nini hawa kuku? Kuku wenye hawana nguo kwa shingo. Hawa kuku wenye hawana nguo kwa shingo wanaitwa nini? Whoever knows in English, kindly comment down below. I would like to know. Hata Kiswahili sijui wanaitwa nini au kuku mwenye hana feathers kwa shingo. That is it. That is like a small hustle. Approximately, you can track something small for your upkeep and your income. It is among it's an added hustle, because you don't need to be there throughout. Just need to feed them in the morning, give them some water, and you're good to go. Hope you can see, guys. That is the egg that I was telling you about. It has already laid. There is the egg. Guys, if you have watched this video until this point, kindly consider subscribing, like and comment. Also share with your friends, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.